Hello guys and welcome to my channel where you can learn how to use Fusion 360 to program your home Mac and Weeke CNC machine. Alright, so in this video, in this video I'm just gonna show you how I program this part. Alright, I also have a video of me machining the part. Alright, so this is part one. Alright, this is just the programming part. This is just a fence. Alright, it's 3/8 MDF material. I'm gonna show you how I'll show you the sketch with the dimensions. All right, so this size of the stock 46.5 by 12.5. All right, the size of the fence is it's 11.5 by 45.5, and I'm holding 1 3/4 of material all the way around. All right, okay. All right, next we're gonna go to manufacture to show you how I program the part. All right, so first I just created a setup. Okay. All right, so I selected the model. All right, and this is the size of the stock. Okay, that's the name of the program. All right, so this is the setup here. All right, so use a 2D contour. All right, punching all the way around. I'm using a 12mm flat mill. It's 46014-K from Amana Tools. All right, so I selected the geometry. Okay, under height, versus bottom height, it says 2mm. I'm not cutting all the way through because of the vacuum pods being, here holding the part. I didn't want to cut the vacuum pods, so I'm just leaving 2mm of material. This part's gonna be it's gonna be cut. It's gonna be cut out with the hand router. All right, so on the passes, okay, I have multiple depths, 6mm. Um, I'm leaving 3mm of material. Right, and then with the final, so I'm gonna use the final pass to clean this up. All right. Um, on the linking, I have a lead in and lead out of 30mm. All right. Let me show you the feed rate. I got 15 meters per minute at 14,000 RPM. All right. Click OK, and we're gonna simulate that. Slow it down a little bit. Click on transparent. So you can see it's leaving 3mm of material. All right. Now I'll clean that up with a final pass. All right. So this is the final pass here. So right click. All right. Okay. Same end mill. Okay. All right. So under passes, all right. See stock to leaves unchecked. So that means I'm cutting the part completely. All right. So let's simulate that. It's doing the cleanup pass. Okay. All right. So this is how I program this part. Let's post to see how it looks like in Woodwop post process. It's not frames fence. Let's post this. Look for that folder. It's right here. Open it up. And there it is, guys. All right. Okay. That's the programming Woodwop. All right. So I have a second part of this, which is the machining video. All right, so all right, guys. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It's really gonna help me a lot. I'm gonna be posting more videos. All right, on how to use Fusion 360 to program your whole Mac and Wiki CNC machine. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.